Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Carla Dorn. My business is Vibrational Waves of Transformation. I will be participating in the live Virtual Healers Expo on Saturday. I will be in Breakout Room number 19. I will be speaking, delivering a channeled message at 12:30 on tips and tricks to raise your overall vibrational point of attraction. And then we'll be available for private session where I can offer you a channeled message or life coaching advice or sound healing. I will be available from 1 to 5, and then we'll be taking a small break from 5 to 6:30. I will be available from 6:30 to 8:30 for a private session, and then have the honor of closing out the expo with a guided meditation and sound healing for all the practitioners and participants. I look forward to seeing you on Saturday at the expo. But if you cannot attend on Saturday and you're interested in seeing my work somewhere else, please go to my YouTube channel, Carla Dorn, or Facebook page, Carla Dorn or Vibrational Waves of Transformation. Every month for the new moon and full moon, I offer a ceremony where we use the lunar cycles to co-create with the divine to manifest the desires we want into our reality. When you co-create with the divine, it creates a powerful way to manifest your desires more rapidly into the physical realm. I look forward to seeing you all on Saturday or at another date at one of my live events. Bless you.